Our group will be represent risk management process of floods and landslides. And this is our team of 5 members. Step 1. Identifying existing and potential risks. Peril, loss and hazard. Peril is the damage of disasters that leads to destruction. Loss of human lives, property damage and economic resources. For hazard potential harm to humanity health due to unhealthy conditions after disasters. The two tools of identifying existing and potential risk is inspection. A team of experts of inspector assess the sites, looking for signs of risk factors. For floods and landslides, inspections will focus on examining land slopes, soil stability, vegetation coverage, drainage system, and signs of erosion of water buildup. Next is interview. The interviewer are conducted to obtain insights about past incidents, vulnerabilities, preparedness measures, and perceptions of risks. In some cases, survey or focus group discussions can supplement interviews.
Step 2. Evaluate potential risks. For landslide, the frequency is medium and the severity is high, while flood frequency is medium, the severity is medium. And as you can see, this is the table of frequency and severity.
Step 3. Examining alternative risk management techniques. The first one is risk control. How to overcome floods and landslide problems. Risk avoidance is how to prevent floods and landslide from happening. For floods, we need to install water sensors or flood detection systems. Second one is we need to improve grading and drainage around home. And lastly, we need to keep sandbags nearby. And for landslide, we need to reroutine surface and underwater drainage. And the second one is we need to modify slope geometry and diverting debris pathways. The second one is risk financing. The National Flood Insurance Program (NFIP) for floods, managed by the Federal Emergency Management Agency (FEMA), offers flood insurance to homeowners in participating communities and those in NFIP-designated floodplains. And the actual insurance policies are issued by private insurance companies, not NFIP or FEMA. For landslide, debris flow from landslides may be covered also by flood insurance policies from National Flood Insurance Program and FIP.
Step 4. Selecting and implementing the risk management program. The risk management technique for risk control is loss prevention and loss reduction. For risk financing is insurance. Next, I'm going to explain about the risk metric level. The first one is low frequency, low severity for insurance in risk financing. Occasional minor flooding or small landslide that cause limited damage like minor water pooling or soil displacement on roads or farmland. Second one is high frequency, low severity for loss prevention in risk control. Regular small flood and minor landslide in an area prone to heavy rainfall. The third one is low frequency, high severity for insurance in risk financing. Rare but severe flood and landslide such as those triggered by extreme weather events such as typhoon or heavy storms. For high frequency and high severity in loss reduction for risk control, areas that experience frequent severe flood and landslides such as regions with regular monsoons or mountainous area with unstable slope. Next, the impact of the techniques on financial and non-financial aspect toward the risk. Loss reduction for financial will have initial cost. For building, protective measures like drainage or barriers may reduce short-term profit. For non-financial, we have growth. Better protection allows organization to focus on expansion without risk-related disruption. For insurance financial protection in case of major damage, covering costs for recovering and preventing severe financial losses. For non-financial, growth allows confident planning and growth knowing major disasters are financially covered.
The last one is step 5, evaluating, reviewing and controlling the risk management program. The first one is data collection, which is gather data on on recent or historical flood and landslide events, including the frequency, intensity, and impact. Next, policy and strategy review. Review the existing policies and strategies regularly to identify any gaps or areas for improvement. This may involve comparing current practice with international best practice. The last one is implementation of improvements, which is based on the evaluation and review findings, implement necessary change to the risk management program. That's all from us.